Assalamualaikum, my name is Miza Izzati binti Ismail Iskandar and my matric number is SY1381. Today, I'm gonna present about my FYP. It is about the UV light resistant and thermal properties of polypropylene and plant waste green composite. So this is the content of my presentation. So let's begin with the introduction. The first one is about how is the rice husk produced. It's by the rice processing units is known as the milling process. Second, why is rice husk is a major environmental concern? Because rice husk is normally sent to the landfill or burned in the open air, causing air pollution such as emission of the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Next is about problem statement. The problem is related to the polypropylene exposed to the ultraviolet light are highly susceptible to degradation process. And about limited studies reported the effect of the titanium dioxide, which may act as an effective barrier against degradation source such as UV in polypropylene material composite based on the rice husk. Now we move to the aim and objective. The aim is to study the UV resistant and thermal properties of the composite that contains rice husk, polypropylene, and titanium dioxide. And the objective are to study the effect of titanium dioxide and rice husk on the thermal property of polypropylene composite, as well as investigate the UV resistance of polypropylene, rice husk, titanium dioxide composite. For scope of the study, the first one is titanium dioxide as a UV resistant and its effect on the thermal properties of polypropylene and rice husk composite with and without titanium dioxide, and the preparation of the rice husk by using the injection molding as well as preparation the polypropylene mixed with the rice husk and titanium dioxide by using the internal mixer. And the last one is thermal properties of polypropylene where exists using differential scanning calorimetry. For significance of studies, so the result of this study may be useful in determining the efficacy of the environmentally sustainable strategy for addressing the environmental problems, and mixing polypropylene with rice husk improve the biodegradability of the composites and hence protect the environment. We move to the literature review. So all the composites that will be used in this study are: first, polypropylene is known as thermoplastic that is widely used. Second, rice husk is form of agricultural biomass that contain a lot of silica. Third, titanium dioxide is a chemical inert semiconducting substance with the photocatalytic activity when exposed to the light. For methodology, the first step is material selection, which are polypropylene with the density of 0.900 gram per centimeter cubic, rice husk with 50 gram, and titanium dioxide with 5 weight%. Second step is preparing of the composite. RH will be ground and saved to create the mesh size of 200 to 250 micrometer. Then PP pellet will be mixed with RH and titanium dioxide particle, and then sample will be fed into hard injection molding system. Third step will be investigate their characterization with thermal properties and UV resistance. After that is about the Gantt chart of Pita 1 and Pita 2. Now I will explain about the expected result. Based on the figure 3, at 164 Celsius, only one single endothermic peak was observed for both TiDPP and PPRH composite, corresponding to the melting of the PP sequence crystalline step. For the conclusion, based on the expected result, the addition of titanium dioxide and the rice husk will have some effect on the melting temperature, glass transition temperature, and percentage of the crystallinity, as well as the composite blocking of the UV radiation. These are the references that I used to complete my proposal. That's all from me. Thank you.